Hello everyone, so I'm just making this quick video as I've just received my RedotPay card. Now I'm going to make this video to unbox the card, to activate it on my phone, and also to give you my experience and tell you how long it took for me. So I requested the card on the 4th of May, and it is currently the 22nd of May. So it didn't really take too long to ship, so now we'll unbox it. We'll just unbox it here. I'm just not going to cut much in this video, and we'll then activate the card on my phone. Okay, so here is the card. I guess it's in here. Now, the card does get shipped from Hong Kong. My card, I think it took around 5 to 10 days to actually get made, but then after that, the shipping was quite quick. So here is my RedotPay card. Pretty standard stuff. It's got an activation code, which we're going to enter in to the app right now. Once you've got the app open, you can go to card. And then here, once your card's been shipped, you'll see it. You'll be able to track it as well. You can then click Activate Now, and you want to type in the card activation code, which is on this piece of paper here. So now I've typed that in. You can see it's now being activated. We can now set a PIN card, or a PIN number for this card. And there you go, that's all done. We've now activated the card. And you can see we can now add this to our Apple Wallet, but we wouldn't need to, because the actual physical card is here and we can use this to withdraw from an ATM. So if you want to get this card, if you want to sign up, I'll leave a link in the description. And my next video will be withdrawing actual Bitcoin from the ATM. So click here if you want to see that once it's uploaded.